Hi everybody, it's me, Mila Rose, and I'm back today to do our cash envelope stuffing for our January closeout. So we've got a little bit of extra left over that we over budgeted for. So now I'm going to divide that up. We went over that in my last video, so if you haven't already, go check that out. And now we get to take the little bit of changling that we got and we'll add it into the appropriate folder. So go ahead and subscribe and I'll see you in just a little bit. Bye-bye. Alrighty, we're ready to go. So first we have debt. That gets $21. So we have our debt. 20 and 1. So we've got 5 going in there, so we'll add that. So we'll have 26 to go. And this is just extra money that I put towards paying off my car, because that's my big 2021 goal. So I'm excited about that, making some progress. I'll do an update video of that coming up soon. So we'll put a little check by that, just to show that we've got that one done. We'll need to transfer $14 to the house savings. Business gets 7. So 7. So we'll just put that one to the side because that goes in a totally different budget as I was mentioning. So we'll do business. Tech gets 7. All right, well, let's see if we have some change for technology. And if not, we'll need to find some change somehow. So 7. So we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 96, or 91, 92, 91, 92, 93, 94. All right, it's supposed to get 7, which would give us 100, and so I think I could trade it out for a 10. Give back 3 ones. Grab a 10. So at 94 plus 7 is 101. And so now we have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 101. So there we go. And I'll need to update my text section. Tech is done. Singing bowls gets 7, and I'll probably just have, I don't know, singing bowls is huge though, so we'll see how much we have in there. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 32. Definitely don't have change for a 7, so yeah. So let's see how many of these we have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 exactly. So there goes 7. That leaves us with 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. So 139. We're literally $1 away from the funds we need to go ahead and get our next singing bowl. So next time you see this, singing bowls might be emptied out because we are right there to get our next singing bowl. I'm super excited about that. So there is that one. Who's next? Emergency savings. I'll need to transfer $4 over there. Stocks gets $3. Ooh, and stocks I think is empty. So yeah, I don't have any change. So I have to find change. And then giving gets 7, and I think giving just has a large bill. So we get to play the change game and see if I can find somewhere to get some change. But I believe I'll be able to make change out of maybe my parents' anniversary. Let's see who feels thick, right? Who feels thick? Let's see if parents' anniversary feels a little thick, but it also feels like, ooh, we've got some good ones for 2022. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Trade that out. And now we've got that 12 that we need to go back for the parents for 2022, because 2021 is already here. And that money will be gone soon because I will need to send it over to the parents for their anniversary on Valentine's. So thank you for change, parents. Now let's get some of these filled in the way they need to be filled in. Okay, so we have 3 that we need for stocks. Got $3 now. 1, 2, 3. Stocks has 3 in it total. And then, did y'all invest or anything during the whole GameStop situation? Or did you kind of just sit by and see what was going to happen? I know some folks who did. I know I got a little bit of something, but I was like, I'm not going into this whole craze. And then giving gets 7. So this is just money that I use if I see someone who's in need, and I've been using quite a bit of it, but I don't go anywhere. So it's hard to give when you don't go anywhere. All right, and then that is everything, except for, you may have noticed, you're like, what's that 24? We get to make us a new one. Another sinking fund, another envelope. I feel like I have 5,000 of these. I believe her name is Lauren Budgets or something like that. And she was talking about how she had saved this money and she didn't have any sinking funds. And I was just like, oh my gosh, I wish, because I have like 5,000 of these. I made my own envelope. And this one's going to be in, of course, I already messed it up, NTTA. So then now I don't have to take that 40 out of my budget, and that gives me, once I get this saved up, that gives me money to play with. I made this envelope, still working a little bit on the design and seeing if I like it. I like this one a little bit more. As you can see, I'm still kind of, I don't know, it's growing on me. I kind of like it. So now I have an NTTA cash envelope. And that's it. Now we're closed out. Everything's where it needs to be. I'll just need to update the pages inside of my notebook and we'll be done. So thank you all for watching. Go ahead and comment down below whether you got into the whole GameStop stock thing going on. And subscribe for more videos about how to design a life you love. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.